Anything again? Nah. What did you open this one?
Got some carrot beer here. We have more beers here. Diamond Spot. Backyard, Justin D. This is the bakery.
Running oven. Happy birthday. Okay, so I'm here today with Executive Chef Daniel at his home. Today he's going to explain to you. First of all, I'd like to thank him for welcoming Trini Bites to his house. And Daniel, you take it from there. What are we going to do today?
Well, today we're going to make some coconut bake, traditional coconut bake, but we're going to have a twist on it. We're going to have the bake, we're going to use a wood burning oven to make the coconut bake. And we're going to do some potatoes inside here, we're going to do some pork roast inside here. Then we have barbecue chicken on the menu. We have goat head on the menu and duck. So we're going to have a good time today.
And he's going to show us a new way to burn the curry for the duck.
And I'm going to do a demonstration with the coconut bake on the flour, right? How we're going to knead the flour, right? And then after we're going to start a bake inside it. So all these guys are going to help out, right? They're going to have to peel. Right? So it's not a cricket bat, right? It's a peel, so everybody's going to learn how to use it today.
Alright.
Okay?
Flower, his name is Bandanya.
So that is the star of the show for everything. The season, the bandana,
That's our signature, Bandanya and Purina.
and Purina. This one is known as Spanish thyme. Right? This has a lot of health benefits to it too. Right? The health benefits, this help fight cancer. Right? All the free radicals, right? It helps with that. Yeah. And I'll be explaining on the coconut and everything, what we do, what the coconut fruit, what minerals it has in it while I do the demonstration.
Sounds
Okay.
good.
Stay tuned.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my mixture for the goat head. So that's black masala, and this is some curry powder.
Is it chief curry powder?
Chief curry powder. Yeah.
You see Chef Jason? Chef Jason, she's using chief curry powder. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, Daniel's going to take over.
Okay. So what we're going to do now here is so what we're doing here right now is we're gonna wake up the flavors in the curry powder before we chunk the pot. Now how you know when it's finished is when you start to smell it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. You can smell the curry there, right?
Yeah.
You smell it right now.
You got about water.
Huh?
So Daniel just toasted the curry and the black masala. So now I'm just gonna throw it in the pot with the oil. And then I'm gonna cook it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna put goat head in.
was well known in Trinidad.
I come here like 28 years now.
This has been seasoned with bandania, onion, garlic.
Chris is going to test the temperature of the oven. I think it's going to be a certain temperature. Be like 600. So in about maybe a half an hour again, the whole oven is going to heat up, and then Daniel will start his thing, mixing up the cake. He has all the ingredients here, and we'll get started. Again, I'm taking a carrot. Cheers. Happy birthday.
You guys can see all the pepper trees here. Huge.
So we have a variety of pepper sauce here. This one here is for roasted meats, barbecue, bake, right? This one here is for your curry and your stew, right? And this one here, you're eating your dal, rice and fried fish. That's the right thing. Has sour cherry and everything in it there. And then from Trini Bites, they bring the lime pepper sauce here too. It look wicked.
Yeah, this pepper is really, really hot.
So what we're doing to get extra flavor in the coconut bake, we take all the coconut shell too. Throw it inside the oven.
Nice little bar oasis here, man.
Yeah, I have pork roast.
So this is our friend Bobby, Top Notch Courier Services. Check him out.
$19, no, but that's not the age, yeah?
For all your courier deliveries, please check him out. Top Notch Courier.
If you could only smell this curry right now.
Very soon we will come out and smell everything.
Okay, now we're gonna do the coconut bake, right? So all the ingredients here are listed out here for you guys. Flour, right? Right. So then instant yeast, right? 2 teaspoons of that. Baking powder. I always like to add a little baking powder to the dough. Reason being, the baking powder has baking soda in it, which promotes Maillard brown, and so the product gets brown on top without egg washing it or milk washing it, right? So then we have coconut here. So this is grated coconut, the dry grated coconut. So everything coconut here, right? So the coconut is grated, right? And the health benefits of coconut too is coconut have a lot of minerals in it. Coconut have iron, copper, magnesium, right? Selenium, right? Which promotes the red blood cells, right? And then we have brown sugar. We have butter. And one more ingredient, right? I know a lot of people don't do this, right? But this is the old time way, right? A little bit of nutmeg in the dough. Okay.
lot of things you're gonna learn today from Chef Daniel. We didn't know the health benefits of coconut oil. I've never known that. So thanks for letting us know.
Well, you always gotta educate the viewers, right? The only drawback on coconut is it's a high-fat fruit, right? It's high in fat and calories. So what I could say, in moderation is good, right? But it's good for a low-carb diet. So we just add in the water to bring the dough together. And now coconut bake is something that is not like bread that you have to bloom the yeast. Coconut bake is a quick bread. You may call it quick bread. So you don't have to proof and let the dough sit for hours, right? Within half an hour, you can roll this dough out and put it in the oven. So when the dough comes together like that, right, you add a little bit of oil to the side of the mixer, not too much, because you already have butter in it, right? It's just to clean the mixer and bring everything together, right? You see how the dough comes together right now, right? The man said bring the hose. He feel we living back home. You don't drink my hose up here. You know?
But Trini doesn't cook anyway hot water, so I said bring the hose around the water. Oh, we have Nigel here.
Okay, now we have setting up. We have Nigel, nuts. Right.
Let me get a good shot.
Yeah, good shot with Nigel there. Yeah. So now we're gonna do the bacon side, yeah? What I'm gonna do is just grease the pan, right? So this is the dough. So one thing, right, people fail to do is, yeah, you can measure the dough with your hand like this, but go Canadian Tire if you're living in Canada, right? Get a scale for $20, right? Buy a scale. This is 500 grams. So you know, well, every 500 grams, it bakes even, right? So you have even color, everything. So what you do is pat it down there. So not too much rolling you do, right? That's what you want, yeah? About 1/4 inch, right? Grab a fork for me, please. 1/4 inch. Put it in the pan. Now, what we do is, in the Caribbean, we never know where this came from. A lot of people say, why you put a fork mark in the dough, right? And everybody is puzzled about that, right? But what I can tell you, since it's a quick bread, right, you don't want this to swell up like a sada roti. So now we're going to put it inside, yeah?
So actually, how long is that going to stay?
We're going to time it like 8 minutes, right? 8 minutes.
Not.
Yes, it's around there. So we can drink a beer meanwhile.
Yeah.
Listen, we can't overwork Bobby right now here. You know?
Today's chef today.
You tell him start counting, you can't overwork Bobby there right now. Bobby
Daniel
start
Day.
counting and then Bobby started sweating, done hot already today.
Yeah.
Right?
You want to shout out anybody in Trinidad?
Yeah, I want to shout out my cousin Jason, cousin Kenny, known as Guns, Dollars, from Enterprise Longville, right? Who again? Everybody in Trinidad, I know everybody's going through a hard time. I want to shout out Videsh.
Trini Life with
Right?
Videsh.
Trini Life with Videsh. Let me shout out the Bushman. Let me shout out Trouble. Right? Trouble out and about that. No.
8 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah, you said no, you do it.
Touch.
Hold on.
He's gonna get scared.
Really good. Approved by Trini Bites. Sweet.
Yeah.
All right.
Now, Nigel has the freshest coconut out on the market right now. Nigel, tell them what the coconut water does to your body and what it's good for.
There's a lot of health benefits with coconut water. A lot of my clients are like pregnant people, cancer patients, COVID patients. There's a lot of minerals, potassium in the coconut, and it's great for hydration. For example, like in the summer periods, especially. That's why it's so popular during the summer periods. So we get coconuts every week, fresh. And that's the only way to have coconuts. The regular ones you get in cans and stuff, they're all pasteurized. They mix with a lot of sugar. One nice thing about coconuts, they have a low sugar content. It's good for your heart. It's good for blood pressure. There's so many health benefits with it. So, you know, I think they advise you to drink at least 3 coconuts a week minimum to just keep yourself pure. And I was talking to that lady just a while ago, and she was saying that when you drink coconut water, you want to go use the bathroom as well too. So what it does, it also allows you to clear out all the toxins in your body as well too. So that's one of the benefit of the coconut water as well too.
Also, how we get in contact with you?
We're located at 188 Queen Street East, next to the Starbucks, right downtown Brampton. And my phone number is 647-782-0997. We sell like mangoes, sugar cane, coconuts, and we're adding a lot more stuff. We're getting the Julie mango and East Indian mangoes from Jamaica and stuff too, because now the flights are opening up a little bit too, right? So that's one of the big disadvantage in terms of getting product here fresh. You know, some product is still coming here, but they come in via the US and stuff. By the time it gets here, it's a little bit older. That's why the quality is not as good. So for me, I don't want to get involved with product that is not, you know, fresh and nice tasting. So a lot of my business is from word of mouth. We have over 2,000 customers. So like we're sold out. We sell mostly on our weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is Saturday, mid-Saturday, and we're already sold out. They called me and says all the coconuts, everything is gone already. So that's one of the problems I'm faced with, is because I want to just keep getting the fresh, good stuff. I don't buy rejected seconds, you know, there's stuff like that available out there. But I'm not interested in that because I'm trying to promote our brand. And for the people out there who know me too, I do live concerts as well too. And everybody who came to my shows, they always know that if I say Baron is going to be there, Crazy, this one, it's always going to be a case like that. I don't stand for anything that's other than that as well.
So Nigel is going to, I just drink the water out. It's very sweet. So he's going to cut the jelly for me.
Yeah.
Trinidad style. Let's see that. Wow. And we got a spoon.
Oh,
The old time spoon.
Pick
We
a
have
spoon
100
there,
spoons
a
here.
real spoon there.
All right.
You know,
So let's see.
you complain about spoon and you drink the coconut with a straw. You took Canadian eyes now there, Bobby.
Yeah. I don't want to mess up my clothes. Anyway, let's go. Wow. This is what you like. You get the water, sweet water, plus you also get the jelly that is sweet. So you get 2 in 1 here. All right? Pick up the Nigel.
Nigel, name of the business is Nigel Nuts. You haven't lived until you have one of Nigel Nuts in your mouth.
So this is the one from where?
Oh,
This one's from Mexico.
So we have the Mexican nuts as well.
But it's so big, it's a lot more difficult to handle too.
yes.
So what I always do is trying to get to the nut gently, so that way you can control when you're opening it too. See? So perfect.
add to my collection.
See, so you get a nice light jelly. Now this container is 1 liter, right? I'll just show you how much water you get. Average coconut will give you 330 mils of water, and you can see this is almost 1,000 mils. So it's a crazy amount of coconut.
You know how long I haven't seen one coconut without so much water? This is unbelievable. Look at how much water you get with this one coconut.
You have more when you go and buy for you. You have it, right?
Yeah. Well, but we sold out this weekend. But every week,
Today no have it?
yeah, no. Every week we have.
We have all the cakes here for dessert now, right? Compliments a niche bakery, right? They're a leader in making all these cakes, these $5 cakes. You could get these cakes at like Fresco, No Frills, Loblaws, right? But what I want to say, you see the Black Forest cake for the price, right? You go all about. You don't get a cake for when you get a cake for $5, right? It tastes like crap, right? But you haven't lived until you tried this Black Forest cake. Trust me, try it, you'll love it.
Hi, how you guys doing?
Hi, good.
All right. Nigel is still going here? Wow.
So we're gonna cut this, you know. Baked to perfection.
Nice, man.
Here, CJ, try a piece of this, you know.
Wow, amazing. So good. Delicious.
Thanks to Chef Daniel.
Everybody should try a piece, but everybody gonna make their own coconut bake right now. We got a lot of dough there, right? So while we gonna start a barbecue, right? Everybody will be making their own coconut bake. I know it's not. The next video, everybody will be making their own pizza.
Oh, I gonna put now.
Try and remember. I just need a piece of bread.
Chris making pizza. Pizza bread.
Okay, I make it you know what it is, I make it. Right? Alright, so let's see.
Could you make a tune on the goat head?
With a spoon. So we're gonna steam the chicken here right now. So, like everything, you gotta spice it up, right? So, what we're gonna steam is we're gonna steam the chicken. We have pineapple juice.
Orange juice.
Orange juice. And a Heineken.
Most important ingredient.
Most important ingredient. And the chicken.
Since Daniel put behind this,
Yeah.
that's my kind of food. Alright? Marinated with beer.
No, it's steam.
Wow, that's your cake. This is very hot. So don't touch it yet, hold on. So burn your hands.
Inside. Up. Right. So then you know you can keep track of everything. Right.
Yeah. Usually when I have a pattern I go through.
Yeah.
But I put everything has to face the same way.
Yeah. So what's the unit? See if you can fit all that chicken in that grill.
Don't worry, I will.
But don't overcrowd the grill.
All I don't hear so.
Alright, so. Great. So we have Suresh here from Marquee Events and Deco. He does the lighting and the Trini Bites lighting here. Yeah, the TV. And he will tell you guys what he does.
Okay, yeah. So what we do birthday, celebration, graduation, marriage, and of all, divorce. When you want to do divorce, we have everything to do it.
Good riddance.
Good, everything. Whatever color you want, yeah.
And give the
we
phone
do-
number out.
The phone number is here.
Look, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, anyway you can get me.
Instagram?
Yeah. So you can get a link there. You can go here and get a link. So, and you can see what we do.
I know Suresh like 17 years now, yeah. So they stand up people, so you know when you order from them, right? You know they're not gonna set you up like we talk in the Caribbean, they will set you up. They're setting you up. They come in, they're gonna do your event, right?
He's genuine.
Genuine.
Genuine person.
Actually, I late because of the event today. That's why I'm so late.
Yeah. We also have Nigel again here.
And Nigel nuts,
Nigel, not.
Yeah.
Nigel nuts, you gotta
Nigel's nuts. Yeah.
Nigel nuts, like what I say. You haven't lived until you had one of Nigel nuts in your mouth.
We also have sugar cane.
Look,
Sugar
you
cane.
see?
Very sweet. It's like sugar, but anyway, sugar cane. So, mangoes. Alright, so give Nigel a call for all the coconuts. Now, the big one from, where's that one from Mexico, right? The Mexican coconut, one Johnny Walker Butler Black with one coconut. That's how it lasts.
But holy shit, the Mexicans them have big nuts, boy.
Yeah, in one bottle, Johnny Walker Black, and I'm talking about 1 liter. One of that thing, this thing full of water. Really, really good coconut. All right,
Fresh.
so
Oh yeah,
call
fresh.
him.
I buy for Nigel nuts too.
Right,
Yeah,
you give him a
coconut
call,
is very good.
and Suresh a call.
Yeah.
So they should call for all your
all
sign events
Yeah.
because he'll be doing Christmas, Valentine's, you know,
Yeah,
Thanksgiving,
Whatever you
Right?
have, we have.
anything.
Yeah.
As he said, divorcing too.
Liberty, you divorce, yeah, somebody get divorced.
Divorce, yeah, man. We get it.
Even if you have a funeral, you get good riddance for you on that. Serious.
We're just joking, okay?
Yeah.
All right, man, so let's enjoy ourselves again, and thanks again to Daniel, the executive chef,
Yeah.
for having us over
Yeah, Donald, thank you.
and entertaining us today.
Yeah, man.
All right,
Yeah.
we have Nigel here. I think he thief half of my height when I was born.
No, that's Marcus. That's Marcus. Marcus.
Who, Marcus?
Hey, Marcus. You mix up.
Alright, so we're gonna start making the sauce for the chicken. We got the stock from the chicken that we steamed. We're gonna add a bottle of this barbecue sauce. This is 700 milliliters. Half bottle of ketchup. Alright, and a quarter bottle of this. So 830, about 200 milliliters.
For the barbecue sauce, you need an acid. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is a balsamic vinegar. That's it. Always must season.
Time.
A little bit of time, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of time. So, did we get a thing here? So we're gonna turn this up here right now. Turn the chicken up there now.
Oh no, this has to be it. There's also.
So now you're getting smoke flavor in that there. So we start the pork in the oven, right? In an apple cider vinegar and mustard sauce. Right.
Right.
Then we're gonna put it inside the brick oven, just for the lick. Right? So we get the smoke flavor inside it. Yeah. Alright, you hear that? The chow, man.
Yeah, boy.
You gotta hear that chow.
You gotta hear that chow.
Yeah, you gotta hear that chow. You hear that chow in a curry,
Yeah,
in
yeah,
a stew. Now you hear that chow in a barbecue.
So I like to say big up to Usha Serju Insurance Limited and her staff, and my brother Deepak. So again, hello to every one of you, and look forward for more vlogs coming out.
So, we're doing the barbecue here right now, yeah? Yeah. Thing looking awesome, right? I'll tell you, there's nothing better than barbecuing on charcoal, right? So if everybody have a propane grill, throw it away. And come here, we get teach you.
Right by the road.
By roadside.
Yeah.
Throw it on it, yeah.
But throw it in garbage there because you don't want to play that inside in front of your house only.
And make sure you clean it and put it outside so I can pass and pick it up later.
Grill for sale by Bobby's Trini Bag.
Yes. So big up to my nephew, Aaron, and his fiance, Melissa, and Ryan, Savi, and Stephen. Also my cousin, Vicky. Big up to you guys.
Grizzly, yeah. Come on.
Watch this.
That's the way.
Hold on.
Everybody get a piece.
Oh my God. Donald, what's that?
Parmesan roasted potatoes with rosemary. So you see, we don't just do Trini dishes. We mix it up.
You already know that's a Trini Bite's favorite. Anything pork related.
Which pepper? Which one is the yellow one? I'm trying to tell everybody. Remember that big oven?
Well,
And cook pork inside it?
well, in Trinidad we can build anything in Trinidad. There's nothing we can build in Trinidad. All right? And we don't build our sweat because we don't walk. But we can build anything else. All right?
Well, I say, I want Trini out and about trouble come. I want Videsh and the cousin come and the Bushman come and let me make a line.
All right, and please support Uncle Dennis Barbecue on the 28th, that's Saturday coming. Support him. And there's a fundraiser that Videsh is doing. Please, everybody just go help and do what you can do. All right?
And we wish we was down here. If I was down here, I would be cooking like crazy for you guys.
Happy anniversary to Dennis and Auntie Dan. May the Lord give you many more.
But I think I mix with Chinese, boy.
Why?
The way how I chop that chicken.
Give me use the machine.
Wait, that Chinese chopper?
That Chinese chopper.
Right, you like some fried rice now?
Yeah, we are roti.
Yeah, roti.
This one.
Oh yeah, that's the best pepper sauce there, man.
Box and flick.
Yeah, boy.
Also pick up the Shamandi's kitchen. Check out on YouTube.
So these Keith, he's the guy who got me on to Trini Bites, right?
Come on.
And he's supposed to be here 1 o'clock today.
It's
What's the
Trini,
time
it's
now?
Trini, it's Trini.
6.
Trini.
It's 6 o'clock.
It's Trini.
You know, it's Trini.
Oh yeah, look at that. Really nice.
So good.
We're all good.
We're all good. Over. What does Vinny say?
Over nice.
Yeah, for you.
Hi kid, tell them how you want to cook now.
So boys, we're now with some curry duck, Trini style duck. Right? That's a normal duck, you know, that's Jake from the lagoon in Barrackpore. You know? Serious duck we have here, you know? So we're gonna do what we do best. Cook.
Lime?
Eat and drink.
And drink rum.
And drink rum, you know? Don't forget. Get the back up behind me.
Yeah. Cheers. Kid, tell them how you want to do it. Madras curry.
Calabran.
Boy, that's the best curry, boy.
That's right. Not just nice, that every nice.
Every night. We're really laughing every day.
Never hold any friend. Every time you say
Yes. I got to tell them we talking there right now. Boy,
Pachan lawa ya, no?
Patel Awa.
Pachan lawa re, bro.
Yeah, boy, kid, get him.
Chale.
She said all the nasty one. That one clean one. Come back to wash your hands.
Drinking wine.
Yeah, boy, kid.
Nana chale, nani going behind. Nana drinking wine, come on, nani drinking wine. Jump on the bank, boy, and hold on the wine. Again, Nana chale, nani going behind. And not when drinking wine. Tell me.
Right.
So here we're going on here. This is for Rishi and Asha Samaru with family. Let them know. Trini Bites here again, and you know what's going on. Trinidad. We know where we share. Just focus that girl, your own family. That's your own family they're hiding in the back. Hiya, play, darling, when we go meet up again.
Ask him, I say, what you secret ingredients? He says she duck.
Watch. I'll make the last coconut bake.
Nice one.
Nice one. Come on. All right. Keep turning the duck inside, you know.
I don't know duck that I the whole farm.
Yeah.
The size of this pot.